I have said that Sri Lanka Maharajas are not from Sri Lanka, Maharajas are from India. But Sri Lanka's Maharaja Capital Organization Limited, actually, which is the parent holding company for Maharaja group of companies and the group of group companies in Sri Lanka rather, they actually broadcasted in a wrongful way to give using marketing tactics of the Sri Lanka Institute of Marketing and the Chartered Institute of Marketing Students UK Sri Lanka Students Marketing Strategy to give a wrong impression to the US by posting on News First channel article about like a video about on their news telecast of Chinese People's Liberation Army soldiers or related similar uniform wearing Chinese workers or whoever, right? I'm not sure who did that, but whoever, whether it's People Liberation Army soldiers or those who are wearing similar uniforms to People Liberation Army, as Mr. Kehelia Rambuksala, co-cabinet spokesperson, together with Mr. Gammampila, Udaya Gammampila revealed. So the thing is, whoever it is, they were dredging the Tissa River, which is an ancient lake in Sri Lanka too, to remove the dirt in the river bed, the lake bed. This tank bed, this tank bed, is to make sure that the dredging would ensure the deepness or the of the the quantity, the deepness of the tank, so the volume of water holding can be increased, and that can prevent overspilling of the tank during rainy seasons. So, but now what happened was, because of this wrongful marketing tactic of the Maharajas sponsored by the Indian RAW, Maharaja Capital Organization in Sri Lanka through their Sirasa TV, ultimately I think some influences have come from US to direct the Sri Lanka's female officials in the irrigation department to order and the archaeological department to stop this dredging of the tank, the tank bed, and all these workers have to be sent back to China now, accordingly, apparently. So they say archaeological, deposits can be there in the river, this a tank, and because it's an ancient tank before the time of Jesus even. I think 1 century before the birth of Jesus, this tank had been built in Tisamaharama in down south. So now the situation is archaeological department is false, this irrigation department officers also false, because they could have done this before, right? They don't have to wait till my YouTube channel to highlight this. They can always do it if they are salaried workers from the government of Sri Lanka, the taxpayers' money, right? They cannot do this. This is wrong. So now the situation is due to the rainfalls exceeding 150 millimeters today morning and yesterday night, the upstream and the middle and catchment areas this morning today in Sri Lanka. That means the upstream refers to the Kalani River, the Kalu River, the Gindk River, Nilwala River, the river flourishes because of the upstream rains in the hill country in the central Sri Lanka. So due to heavy rains exceeding 150 millimeters there, the water levels of the Kalani River, Kalu River, Gindk River and the Nilwala rivers could cause floods. There is a threat, because now the same irrigation department say this, right? They are the ones who halted the dredging of the Tissa tank tank bed by Chinese People Liberation Army pretext, or whoever from China did that, right? And they stopped it. Now they say the rivers are getting, there's a threat of, that also they say minor flood threat. It cannot be a minor flood threat. It can be a significant flood threat. So here they say accordingly, low-lying areas of the Kalani River in the Wattala Divisional Secretariat Division, Kolonnawa, Wattala refers to a Roman Catholic populated area, and they are offering minor flooding warnings within next 24. So who would get affected here? The Roman Catholic people, the Christian people in Wattala, right? They are the followers of the Western countries' religion. So what happened now? Because of the, these Chinese workers had to go back, and then no programs can be undertaken now to dredge our rivers. Even the rivers have to be dredged, the river beds of the Kalari River, Kalu River, Gin River, Nirvala River, so that the quantity of water the river can hold increases when the river the river bed dredging means the dirt in the accumulated in the river bed due to the upstream water flow is taken out by by through some mechanical equipment, and then you make it deep the river bed. Then even though in this situation there is a rainfall in the upstream hill country, the quantity of water that flows which the river could hold is more. Therefore there won't be even a minus flooding. But because of this People's Liberation Army or any Chinese workers work had been stopped, now the same people in the Roman Catholic Christian people in the Vattal area could get affected. Now this is why doing things on belief is wrong, but look at from a human point of view, helping others and do things. And this is basically the problem lies with the Western countries' beliefs and doing some immoral things even and doing things rather than looking into the human part of it. And we try to help people in Tisavava and even in flooded areas during the rainy season to prevent the water. Whoever who dredge, it's going to help others. And whoever who dredge, we are going to pay them also. So their families also get money, the dredging workers' families. So here, just believe and doing something immoral by Western Christian nations resulted in these situations. And ultimately, Christian people would lose faith in their own blind faith on their own religion here. That is, at least now they would focus on development of the brain, mind and the cognition process and follow the more principled human life, I think. And this situation, I kindly request the US authorities to help.